Anil Shankrappa Kumbar, and I am very much satisfied with the teaching here at Jspiders Rajajinagar, and they are very friendly, professional, and help us to gain more knowledge about the course we had opted. From students' perspective, we gain all the knowledge which we need to get into an IT industry and serve as well. But the faculties and HRs had a lot of practical experience than just theoretical knowledge. And the main thing which helped me a lot to boost my confidence is mock interviews. And I am glad that I had attended JSPiders for my Java training. So once again, thank you for your valuable service. Thanks once again.